All right, sneaker fam, let's talk about a drop that's got everyone buzzing. The Awake NYX Jordan Airship Game Royal. Limited, clean, and packed with history. Let's dive in! Okay, quick history lesson. The Jordan Airship is the OG. This is the silhouette Jordan rocked before the Air Jordan 1 took over the game. And now, Awake masters of minimalist streetwear throws their spin on it. This collab is a blend of heritage and modern vibes, with that Awake flair. They're not overdoing it, just subtle touches that make it pop. First off, let's talk about the colorway. Game Royal, classic blue and white, crispy as it gets. The leather quality? Smooth and buttery, none of that stiff stuff. Awake branding on the heel? Low-key but classy. And can we talk about these soles? That vintage off-white midsole just screams retro. They nailed that perfect balance between old school and fresh. These are versatile. Rock them with some tapered sweats and an oversized hoodie for that chill vibe, or go full summer mode with shorts and a tee. Feeling fancy? Throw on some cropped trousers and you're golden. Now, how do they feel on foot? Honestly, they're pretty solid. It's a retro shoe, so you're not getting crazy tech, but they're comfy enough for all-day wear. True to size for most of you, but wide foot gang, you might want to size up. Alright, here's the verdict. The Awake NYX Jordan Airship Game Royal is a clean, timeless collab. It's got that storytelling, premium build, and just the right amount of hype. But heads up, these are super limited. If you're on the fence, don't wait too long, or you'll be hitting that resale market. That's the breakdown on the Awake NYX Jordan Airship Game Royal. What do you think? Cop or drop? Let me know in the comments.